Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. The benefits of green tea for liver detox. The liver serves as the primary cleansing organ of the body, getting rid of its wastes and toxins. A green tea liver detox is one way to help the liver perform its detoxification process. Perhaps the best benefit of a green tea liver detox comes from the green tea's powerful antioxidant properties. It clears the liver of damaging free radicals that result from poor eliminative process. Green tea has long been part of traditional medicine in many Asian countries including China, Japan, India and Thailand. In ancient Chinese medicine, green tea is given to a person as a diuretic, stimulant and astringent as well as to aid in improving digestion, brain function, and heart conditions. Over 500 studies conducted in the past years have proven the health benefits of green tea, from boosting metabolism to fighting cancer cells as well as aiding the liver's function, which is why green tea liver detox is very popular. Scientific researches suggest that green tea offers a twofold benefit to the liver. First, green tea protects the liver's cells and at the same time, boosts the immune system. The antioxidants in green tea have been proven protect the liver from the damaging effects of alcohol, cigarette smoking and other toxins. Moreover, one research reported that green tea may help prevent the growth of cancer cells in the liver and in many other organs of the body. All these scientific findings make green tea liver detox one of the most effective ways to strengthen your liver and protect it from disease, allowing it to perform its vital function of cleansing the body, which in turn leads to optimum health. Aside from regular green tea liver detox routine, there are several important things that you should do in order to make your detox program successful. Eat as much fresh fruits and vegetables as possible to give your body an abundance of fiber and essential nutrients. Eliminate foods that contain harmful substances in your diet such as fatty foods and coffee. In addition to your green tea liver detox, you can take supplements with whey protein that will provide you with the essential amounts of taurine, glutamine, methionine and glycine, amino acids that are required for the body's detox process. Certain supplements can also help your liver improve its production of its own antioxidant, glutathione. While green tea has numerous health benefits, green tea liver detox is not for everyone. Those with heart diseases, kidney problems, stomach ulcers, or suffering from chronic anxiety should not take green tea. Likewise, expectant and nursing mothers should not drink green tea. It is recommended that if you are currently taking any medication that you consult with your doctor first regarding the safety of drinking green tea. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.